All right. So let's do another one of these. Let's see. So suppose we have the following. There's a car sales, and what's happening with the car sales, I'm just reading this off of the homework, is let's say that if you have, let's see, you can sell 50,000 cars per month if the price is 18,000 a car. So that's a piece of information. Now, another one is this. If the price is $17,500 per car, so $500 less, you can sell 55,000 cars. So here's the big question. How many cars could we sell at 17,000? I'm going to put some bullets here. This is a bullet point. Make this a bullet point. Next bullet. What about this? So what we can do here is, again, we want to use a line. We want to come up with a formula for a line, and then we're going to use an input to predict an output. Now, again, this is one of those things about cause and effect. Is there something we're free to choose, and is there an effect or a consequence of our choice? There is. We're free to choose the price, and the consequence of the price that we chose is the number of cars we're able to sell. So what this means is this. The independent variable X, this will be the price. And then the dependent variable, this is going to be the number of cars. So we need to come up with the formula of a line. And we can do that if we have 2 points. And we actually do. Here's a price, and here's a number of cars sold. A cause and an effect, an X and a Y. I'm going to call this X1, Y1. And we have another pair. Here's a price. Here's a number of cars. The cause, we chose this to be the price, and then here's the number of cars we were able to sell. So I'll call this X2, Y2. And we're going to answer this question about $17,000, another choice we can make for an input. So again, we're going to use the slope formula and then the point slope formula. So the slope formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Or in this case, 55,000 minus 50,000 over 17,500 minus 18,000. So this will be 5,000 over negative 500. And let's see, that's going to be negative 10. Positive divided by negative is negative. So that's our that's our slope. And now we use the point slope formula. y minus y1 and x minus x1. Or y minus 50,000 is negative 10 times x minus 18,000. Distribute them at negative 10. And we get negative, or negative times negative is positive. Add the 50,000. And this will be, let's see, 230,000. And so that's the model we want to use. So now we can answer the question. X is the choice we get to make. Y is the result of that choice. So let's say we choose to price our cars at $17,000. How many will we be able to sell? So that means Y becomes negative 10 times 17,000 plus 230,000. And so what we get is 60,000 cars. And that's it. So that's it for that one. Again, you're going to come up with a slope using our points. Choose one of those points. And again, we could have used x1, y1 like we did. We could have used x2, y2. That would have worked just as fine. We get our model using our point slope formula. After we use the slope formula to find the slope between the 2 points, then use the point slope formula. And then that gives us our model. And then we use that model to answer the question. And that's it. Any questions about that, let me know.